our box. See what is there. Yes. Hey. I ordered something. This is the first package inside this box. Yeah. What is inside the box? Let's see. What is this? Where do we open? Alright. So this is the material cover. It's a white cover, I think. Let's see what is here. Yeah, hey, going professional. Hey, going professional. Look at that. That's one. That's one. That's one. This is another one. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Video light. Yeah. To gym. That's it. We'll see how we're gonna connect this. Yep. And then that was inside here. Then we have another package. This is the tripod stand. The tripod stand off. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah. Yes, and I think you're gonna open it like that. You're gonna open it like that. I believe you're gonna hook this up here. You're gonna hook this up here. Yeah, this one hooks here. This one here. Yeah, hooks here. There is a little knob here. You open it, and then on this one you can adjust so that these can open up. Trial and error, in other words. But that one shows you can actually open that. And I'm thinking this gonna go here. It's gonna go here, and then you can close it up. Yeah, see all these knobs? I believe they are for adjusting the stand to the height that you want. The height that you want. Yes, yes. Yeah. I am telling you. I'm telling you, look at that, look at that, look at that. You can stand, adjust with the knobs. There we go. You can pull it up like that. Look at that. I just pulled this, and then I can actually push this here, just to push it back. Wow, look at that. Yes, push back like that. So this little knob here does all that. You push it, you pull this out, and it opens that. It opens that. Yes, that is how things are. That's how things are. Yes. So yes, so we are going to see how it's coming. Look at that. And then what do we have here? What we have, you can adjust with these knobs to the height that you want. Look at that. To the height that you want. And then you can lock them. You can lock them. Yes, you can lock them. You are adjusting to the height you want, and you lock them. Hey, look at that. I didn't even require any manual. I am just looking at things and fixing where they belong. Look at that lighting. Look at that lighting coming up, guys. Look at that lighting. What else do we have here in our box? I have What do you think this is? This is actually a bulb. Oh my god, this is a big bulb, and a remote. It has a remote. Ooh, it has a remote. This is a big bulb, light bulb. We're gonna pull it here. Oh yeah, oh yes. Let me make sure my stand is strong enough. Oh yeah, this is nice, easy to fix. Anyway, I look forward for better lighting for my videos. Oh yeah, better lighting for my videos. There we go. Yes, because my videos have not had good lighting, and I hope this will help. Yeah, I hope this will help. And let me tell you, oh my goodness, let me tell you, you have to open here. You have to open here. That is the cover. You have to remove it, so that it can, you can insert it where it belongs. And I believe, there we go, there we go, hey, there we go. Yes, we're gonna have lighting. Tell me about it. Yes, so the first package had this, try whatever, this square illumination, whatever it is, and then the tripod stand. They were here, both of them. And then we had the bulb. The big bulb was in this box. We have this cover. This cover, we'll see where it will go. Let me tell you, what do you say? We have a bag to pack everything. Let me tell you, this is our bag to be carrying our stuff in. I can't wait. That is our bag with a very nice zipper. With a very, very nice zipper to be carrying our lighting. Yes, our lighting. That was easy actually to connect this lighting kit. It's called Togium. I'm not really doing an advertisement for them. I hope they can give me something. But this is Softbox lighting kit, and this is the hard manual, how to install. Let me tell you, I did not have really to consult all this. I think I just knew how to do it. Look at that, and you can see the various heights. And we have the remote. You have a remote. You have a remote. I can't wait to see this light up. So we have on, off. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Finally. We have to cover. Finally. Let's cover this. Let's cover this. Our lighting kit. Our lighting kit. Look at that. Let's see how good this lighting is. Let's see how good this is. So let's see how this gonna be. You see, everything is well put together, easy to go. Let's see how the lighting will come out. So let's see the light. There's a knob here, a switch. Lily, look at that, guys. That is my lighting. Hey. Yes, that's my lighting. And we got the remote control. I'm gonna be learning how to connect it to this, but all in all, I have my lighting Softbox lighting kit. I think this is gonna give me very good, promising video recording pictures. Yes, bye bye for now. Majilo USA.